went to the beach in the afternoon. Good afternoon, she said to the lifeguard. Tammy's day out. Tammy went on an early morning boat ride. Good morning, she said to the captain. Tammy went to a restaurant for lunch. Good afternoon, she said to the waitress. Tammy went to the beach in the afternoon. Good afternoon, she said to the lifeguard. After dinner, Tammy went to the movie theater. Good evening, she said to the ticket man. Tammy ordered some popcorn. Thank you, she said to the lady. Tammy came home after the movie. Did you have fun today? Her parents asked. I did, Tammy replied as she hugged her mom. Good night, she said to her mom and dad. Tammy's day out was full of fun. She hugged her teddy bear and fell asleep.